for Math. We are taking a break from word problems and we're moving on to 2D shapes. In the description box, I will link some shape songs that we listen to. If you go onto YouTube and even just type in shape songs for kindergartners, there's a ton on there. There's one that I'll link that is our absolute favorite song. I remember we listened to it in class. The kids would sing every single word and they love how the shapes had eyeballs. So I will link that down below and we will get started on today's lesson. So your objective, your goal today is I can draw and name 2D shapes. Now I really like your guys' workbook page today. It is so much fun. It's one of my favorites. You are going to recreate 3 drawings that they have given you in your workbook. Again, you can find the workbook page on Class Dojo. So you can just work on a separate piece of paper and try and copy it the best you can. You have to identify which shapes you're using to make the picture, and we'll do 2 practice ones right here. Here are just a few 2D shapes. Now it does specify 2D shapes because we did work on 3D shapes. Remember, 3D shapes, you can hold them. They're usually real. For example, like a soccer ball is a sphere. That's a real life 3D shape. They have tops, bottoms, sides. With 2D shapes, they're flat, so I can't see the back of this shape right here. I can't turn this one around and touch the side. So let's go ahead and start. Again, these are just a few 2D shapes. If you want a fun challenge is to go around your house and identify common objects that are in your house and identify what shape they are. So we have, what shape is this? Good job, triangle. What about this one? Good job, heart. Square. Now notice a square has 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sides. So every single side, and obviously when you draw it by hand, it's a little bit more difficult to make sure, but every single side on the square is the same length. So if I took all these apart and lined them up, they'd all be the same exact size. What shape is this? Circle. What about this one? Rectangle, and I hope you can see. This one is a rectangle. Now notice with the rectangle, there are 2 long sides and then 2 short sides. So if I took this shape apart and I put all the sides together in a row, these 2 right here would be the same size. They're going to be your shorter sides. And then these 2 right here are going to be your longer sides, and they would be the same length as well. A rectangle can also go this way as well, where you have 2 short sides again and 2 long sides. And what shape is this? Once again, I hope you can see. Yes, this one is an oval. And then this one's a little bit harder to draw with a dry erase marker. Let's see if you can identify it. Good job. This one is a half circle. So now what I want us to do is I drew a couple pictures, 2 pictures on here using different shapes. And I want you can even try redrawing these ones. Let's try to identify the different shapes and then go over how you could recreate it, which is exactly what you'll be doing on your workbook page. So look at the wings of my butterfly. What shape are they? Good job, they're hearts. What shape are the eyeballs? They're circles, and I colored them in. What shape is the mouth? Again, it's really hard to draw this shape with a fat marker. The mouth is a half circle. Now, a half circle is literally just a circle that's been cut in half, so I can show you right here. There is the half circle. And what shape is his body? An oval. Good job. So if you want to try and recreate this, go ahead and get something to write with and something to write on. It could be marker, crayon, pencil, dry erase marker. Families, if you're watching this board, I found on Amazon and it was $16. Again, not that you have to buy anything to participate in these lessons, but this one's a 20 by 30, I believe. I'd have to double check, and it was only $16 and got here in 2 days, so that was pretty nice. So let's go ahead, students, and try and recreate it. First, we're going to draw the oval body. And let's see if I can recreate this. Good job. Next, we're going to do the heart wings. And I think my little Amazon thing heard me, so hopefully it doesn't order another one. Let's go ahead and draw the eyeballs. 2 circles. You don't have to color yours in. I colored mine in because I think it looks a little less creepy. Let's do a half circle for the mouth. Again, I'm going too fast. You can always pause the video. And there we go. There is our butterfly. So now I'm going to slide this over. Let's go ahead and work on this. Now what did I draw? A house. And for those of you that are watching that are still working on learning more English words, en inglés casa es un house. Okay, so good job. What shapes did I use to draw my house? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes that I used. What is the roof? A triangle. What is the actual house? A square. What's the door? A rectangle. And what is the window? A square. So I'm going to start with, and this is a little interesting of an angle to do it at, I'm going to start with the square of my house, and then I'm going to draw the triangle, a rectangle door. Now remember, that top part needs to be short. And then, I hope you guys can see this, a square window. So go ahead and listen to a few shape songs, and then go ahead and work on your workbook page. A fun activity to do with your family. Again, go around your house, see if you can identify what shape are the pillows on your bed, what shape is your dog's favorite toy, what shape is your lamp, things like that. You can also try and recreate these different shaped pictures with your family, so maybe you guys can work together and try to create a picture using as many shapes as possible, and I will see you on the next video.